What's up, guys? Today we're gonna finish our dash, and we're gonna use some carbon fiber, and we're gonna skin this guy here. It's called skinning. This is where the 7-inch Android goes, and this is a place where we're gonna put two gauges, probably fuel and temperature, or AFR, and then fuel. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out later. Ideally, I should put some kind of paste or something in here to cover. See, you can see like it's not round perfectly, but this is going to be hidden in there, so I'm not quite concerned. I'm going to make two layers though. So the first layer is going to stick. So I'm going to cut the first layer. I'm going to cut like this, and then this. So I have two cuts. And then after 2 hours we're going to put the second layer. So this first layer here, it doesn't quite matter I mean how everything is going to be. This is one piece I made before. I still need to poke the holes and put the gauges in there, but it's one single layer. It's pretty hard. I mean, it's yeah, it's nice. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put this guy right in here, and I'm gonna be sure the size is not gonna work, so I'll need to go like this. So I'm gonna cut this like that. Okay, gonna take this out of the way. I'm also saving this shavings in here because we should be able to make a nice part with there's a name for this. I don't remember what the name is, but we just put those parts on top of the resin, and it turns into something pretty cool. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do here. This goes in there. Okay. So it's gonna be as close as I can to the wall. There we go. Check out Poor Man's Car Garage website. I keep talking about him. He's a good friend, and he's making carbon fiber parts, and he sent me this piece of carbon fiber so I could test and play around. And actually it's I'm putting this to good use right now, because it's gonna be my first layer. Okay, so I have this spray. It's adhesive. I don't know how to say that. So I need to do a clear thin coat in here everywhere. I need to be sure that whatever I'm putting in here, it's gonna stick. So I'll need to double brush that. Wow, it's definitely messier than I expected. There's a 3M that you can use for this. There you go. Gotta be sure it's gonna be wrapped around. There you go. Now we're gonna go there. Get our thingy and put right in here. Alright, so it is definitely sticky. Start from the middle. Problem is I don't know where the middle is. I'm gonna start from the side. Be sure that this covers everything. And then go down. There you go. Alright, time for the mixture. Mine is 2 parts of this, 1 part of the other one, so I'm going to just mix a little bit. 36, 38, let's do 40 gram, 0.4 pounds. Yep, so 0.3. So this one we need to reach 36, so we need to put 0.15, 0.18, so it's going to be 54. Okay, I'll assume this is good. Okay, so this paper is used. I don't want to put on my desk, but there you go. So we're gonna get some of it and start slowly making a layer here and let it soak. So this is how it looks now. I don't need any coat right in the middle because I'm gonna cut it. But yeah, I think I messed up here. I'm gonna try to pull it out a little bit, but I'm not sure it's gonna be possible. It's gonna be very well. Could be one of the most visible parts, but yeah. I might be able to pull it out. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this is way too much. But yeah, all the bubbles, you can see them popping. Oh wow. So this is what I'm going to do now. You see it's kind of, you see the imperfections here. So if you put your finger, some parts is right on the fiber and some parts have material, right? It has some resin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a light scratch with a 220, and I'm going to go very lightly, otherwise you need to use mask and all that stuff. But basically you try to make it smooth. Yeah, it's gonna be like this, then I'm gonna clean. So let me do the whole thing. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna wash it. Those places here I'm not too worried because they're the holes I'm gonna poke for the gauges, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna wash and come back, clean up, and we're gonna go for one more coat, which should smooth all this out. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This part here I'm gonna cut, so it's gonna be a hole here, so I'm not worried about this, this, and this. Two holes and a square rectangle. So I just scratch everything with a 220. Just got a sandpaper 220 grit and washed everything, then get some paper, kitchen towel, and I'm just wiping it off, drying actually the water. I wash it off, and now we're gonna put another coat. Alright, I put the part on a weird position here, but yeah, you can see as the resin hits the fiber, it actually revives it. It's almost scary a little bit. I'm gonna do a thin layer. Yeah, check it out. It's very shiny. It's actually kind of level. You can see those things. That's where the holes go. So not too worried about that. Then there's the top. This is all going to be shiny and pretty. And finally back to it. I stopped for a while because I'm installing a Speeduino on the Mitsubishi Eclipse. It'll work like a charm. I just started the Mitsubishi, so I came back to this here so I can finish. And unfortunately take the BMW to storage. I still have, I don't know if I showed you guys, over fenders. There's a bunch of stuff in there, but those are over fenders to cover the crash I have on the back of the BMW. Those came from Ireland, so we're gonna have a video about that too. And that's gonna be it for this video. Follow up on the next video. We are going to cut all the parts out of the gauges. We're going to start fitting everything in there, and then we're going to put in the car. At this point I've done that already, but as I was putting the video together, it's already on 12 minutes, so I don't want to bore you, so I rather have a couple videos, one doing all of this, and the last one we're just gonna cut and fit in the car. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave the little to hit the little bell when you subscribe, because when I publish the next video and the next videos, you get notification. And that's pretty much it. Check out my store. Look at this new t-shirt, I just got it. I'm stoked. I have a bunch of cool merch. Yeah, so you should check out. My back is hurting because I think they took too long cutting that thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles.